And Nick, what do you think?
It's just great.
This is completely new type of vehicle we designed exclusively for this Mercedes-Maybach brand. Basically, we combined the globally and also in China two most successful car archetypes: a 3-box sedan limousine and an SUV. And so for that, it's almost a no-brainer that that's a successful concept. You see, it's an impressive car. It is huge, it has status presence, it has all this sophistication I talked about, the modern luxury. Well, with our Vision Mercedes-Maybach Ultimate Luxury, we wanted to make a strong statement towards ultimate luxury, because this is really what Mercedes-Maybach stands for. And so it had to be a car with a lot of impact, with a lot of status, but still very clean, very beautiful, very sporty.